Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing some DIYs. If you like these DIYs and want to see how I did them, go ahead and keep watching. Hey guys, so I started off using one of these mailboxes I got from the Target dollar spot during Valentine's Day, and I spray painted it with the Rust-Oleum silver spray paint. And then I took this matte acrylic paint from Walmart, it's like 50 cents, in the pewter gray, and I took a sponge, like a beauty wedge, and I just dabbed all over it like I'm showing you here. I'm sorry I didn't get that footage. I think that it was deleted. I'm pretty sure I recorded it, but the footage was deleted. So I just dabbed that all over the place. You can still see some of the metallic shining through, but this is how you get the galvanized look. Now I'm going in with this brown, and I just wanted to make it look rusted, weathered a little bit, and I'm just using my finger, and I'm just going around all of the edge of the entire mailbox. You want to make sure to smear it thinly. You don't want it to be like too much of a block or too thick. It won't make it look as, just rusted in certain areas. It'll make it like you just painted the whole thing. So I'm just making sure I smudge it good enough and leave some of the chunkier pieces around some of the thicker layers of paint. And I did let this dry, the gray paint dry down before I started doing this. It takes no time because the paint is matte. So now I am using this little chalk tag that I got also from the dollar spot there. It was 3 for $3. I wrote mail on there, and then I just hot glued the twine inside of the box. Now this one's pretty simple. I bought both of these from the dollar spot, the clearance section. I ended up getting them both for like 30 cents, and I thought it would be so great to just adhere that on there. So I took off the stickers. So you just want to try to find the center of the heart. Use you some glue. I used E6000 and hot glue, and that's it. And this one is also extremely simple. I bought these tags again from the clearance section, and I bought these napkin rings from Dollar Tree. There come 6 in there and only 4 napkin holders. Now the only reason I'm combining these 2 napkin holders is because the leather ones were just a little too flimsy for me. So I wrapped it around and added a bead of hot glue, and that was it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.